So you might have heard that I just got back from Indiana. And that was very, very successful. They are great people. They're incredible people. Bobby Knight helped me a lot, I have to tell you. Bobby Knight, he was great. Tough, smart. And he likes to win. Our country doesn't win anymore. He likes to win. I like people that want to win, right? We gotta win. But we had an incredible period of time, and you know, I started off, there were a total of 18 actually, if you add Gilmore. We'll add Gilmore, right? So with Gilmore, it was 18 people, senators, governors, people of very, very substantial success, and one after another, 1, 2, 3. I love it. Do you love it? And many people, they're talking it as a phenomenon. Look at this, we come up here, it's an afternoon, we're not supposed to be here, you're supposed to be going out doing whatever the hell you want to do, and here we are, we sit together, and I tell you, this is something special that's happening, folks, it really is, it's something special. And it's all over like this. We go to Alabama, we had 35,000 people, we'd have as big as the auditorium. Look at this big room and look right back to the corners. By the way, you have thousands of people outside. Please